Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can change the screen timeout on the Motorola Moto G04 and G04s. In order to do that, first we need to open the settings. So let's find the settings in the apps. Now we need to open display. And finally over here where we have lock display, we also have screen timeout. We can tap over here in order to choose the screen timeout. We have several options. We have 15 seconds, 30 seconds, and then 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and 30 minutes. So we can choose the duration that we want to have on our smartphone. In addition to that, we also have an option to enable or disable the screen attention, which prevents your screen from turning off if you're looking at it. Of course, this feature might not always work ideally, and you might need to test it out if it works fine for you. However, it seems to be, in my case, it seemed to be working completely fine, so you can definitely try that out. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!